CBD Mobile App, a smarter way to manage your everyday banking. Requesting a stamped account statement in the CBD Mobile App is quick and simple. In this video, we will guide you step by step through the process. To request your stamped account statement, log in to the CBD Mobile App using your preferred method, either by using Face ID, UAE Pass, or by entering your password. From the home screen, there are several ways to reach the Services section. You can tap on the profile icon, the Services icon, or the banner at the bottom of the home screen. Once you are in the Services section, tap Stamped Account Statement. Select the account for which you would like to generate the statement. You will also see the current balance of the selected account and any applicable service fees. Then, choose the statement period for which you would like to generate the stamped account statement. Once all the details have been selected, tap Next. A confirmation screen will appear, showing the details of your request. Review the information carefully. If everything looks correct, tap Request Statement to submit your request. The system will generate your stamped account statement, which will only take a moment. Once the statement is ready, it will appear on your screen and you will have the option to download or share it. If you are happy with it, tap Done to return to the Services screen. You can also find the certificate anytime in the History section. And that's it! Your stamped account statement has been successfully generated. With the CBD Mobile App, managing your banking documents is simple, secure, and fully digital. Don't have the app yet? Download it now and enjoy simple, secure banking on the go.